What is up, guys? It is Redcon here today, and I want to show you something awesome. I don't see this on YouTube. I have actually only seen one video on YouTube about this, and it pretty much sucked. So I'm going to show you exactly how to crack a Bukkit server in 1.4.7 and on. So basically, if they haven't fixed this yet, this is how you do it. So you know how you can go into your server settings and change the online mode to false, and any cracked version of Minecraft will work. It's that easy. Well, when you make a Bukkit server, it's not, but it's equally the same. If you don't understand that, you'll get what I'm saying in just a second. So you can go download the recommended build, which right now is 1.4.7 R1. When you download that, it will appear down here for using Chrome, and I also downloaded World Edit. I will leave a link in the description below if you want World Edit. And the next thing is to copy basically this text. It's in the description, but what I've changed is I've changed this to false. If you haven't already picked up on that, then basically that just changes the online mode. If you don't need any more help from here, the rest is just going to be how to set up a Bukkit server. So you have a Minecraft server folder. This is the way that I was showed how to do this. If there's a different way, great. So I drag in Minecraft server, and I open that up, and it goes and it makes everything. So basically when that's done, I try to exit out of that, and then I go and I right click on it says properties folder over here in the type, and you just want to double click on that, and then I put in my IP address, which if you don't know, watch my last video on cracked Minecraft server. Basically 68.1.64. And I'm just going to show you guys right now. So you go down here, right click, open network and sharing center, change adapter settings, right click on your Ethernet, go to status, details, and then under IPv4 address, you'll see your IP address, which is 192.168.1.64 for me, Redcon. And so I'm just going to exit out of all of this. And so I put in my server IP address, and I changed my online mode to false. I click save, file save. So when we get on Minecraft right now, that basically just means we just cracked our server. So when I go into here, and it doesn't seem to want to work, refuse to connect. Huh, that is weird. Oh, probably because the server's not on. I feel like an idiot. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Minecraft, and I'm telling you guys right now, this is not an actual version of Minecraft, this is a cracked version of Minecraft. I also have a video on that. So we go into here, now we're logged in, okay? And just to prove my point more, we can change the server properties file to online mode true, and click file save. And then restart our server, and a bunch of clicking. Go to multiplayer, and it'll say user not premium. So that drives home my point. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back into the server properties and change this to false. And I know the screen's going crazy right now with all the movement of the windows, but just bear with me right here. Okay, so right now we have a cracked vanilla server. So now we need to add in craftbukkit, the Bukkit server. Now when you guys get it, it's going to say something like craftbukkit-1.47-r whatever. You need to delete all that and just make sure it says craftbukkit. Now if you have WinRAR, you need to go right click, open with, and then choose default program. Make sure Java is this one. You'll see this little logo, the Java logo. You want to make sure that's the right one. So now, so far this is how I've learned to do it. I'm sure there's other ways. I just double click on craftbukkit and let it go through its stuff. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to create a new notepad document to go in there to actually start up the craftbukkit server with Minecraft. So you're going to want to open up a new notepad document, and you're going to see once you copy and paste this into your document. So in the link in the description below, in the description below, there is this right here, and my phone is ringing. That's why I kind of got off subject. You're going to want to just copy and paste that into any notepad document. You want to go to File, Save As, or Save, and go to your desktop or wherever you saved this folder. Mine is Minecraft server right there. Okay. And so you're just going to want to save it start.bat. It has to be a .bat. Once that saves, you'll see it appear right here. Now you basically have your entire server set up. When you double click start, perhaps a server is already running on that port. Okay, so
just ignore that completely. I already went through and just tested all this, make sure I was still good. So just ignore this right here. We're gonna just put in 6,000. Okay.
Okay, so that's how it should start up on a regular server. Okay, so now it's started up, and we should be able to go to Minecraft, go to Enter Game, Multiplayer, and log in. This is how to make a cracked Bukkit server, but now you want to add plugins, and if you don't know how to add plugins, just stay right here. We're going to answer that for you. So disconnect, then you're going to want to exit out of your server. Now where it says plugins. So there will be a link in the description of how to get World Edit. Basically this zip file, you're just going to want to double click on it. It's going to open up like this, or you can extract it. So it says World Edit, it says executable jar file. All you gotta do is click and drag that in, and bam, you got World Edit. Now another problem that people run into is when they start up their server and they connect, like I'm going to show you right now. Basically when they connect and they type in wand, it says unknown command, please type help for help. But usually it will say, and I think something is wrong, because this shouldn't be happening. So we just got to redo some stuff. Yeah, so if that's happening to you after you put in that mod, you want to go to right click task manager, and it's going to open up your task manager, and you just want to make sure that all your Java platforms are shut off. They're not running anymore, because you can run into these issues. I don't know if it's just Windows 8 in general, but that's what's happening to me. So what you want to make sure you do is opt yourself. So opt, and then whatever your name is right here, mine is admin, opt space admin. So that's going to make you the administrator. So now when Minecraft loads, hopefully this will work. Oh, I get it now. Okay, so we need to add server. Sorry guys, I'm really sorry for this. So you know when I changed my IP address? Well, I was logging out of the wrong server. Okay, so now when we're in, so this is the actual server. As you can see, we have logged on right here. Okay, so now we're in the server. So basically now when we type in wand, we'll get the axe. And then we can go here, and here, and we can go set air. Bam, it just dug out a hole for us. Now, say you de-opt yourself, or say you forgot to opt like I just told you to. What's going to happen is when you, say, throw your wand away, and you go forward, you ask for the wand, they'll say you do not have permissions to do this. That basically means all you have to do is open up command prompt and type in op, and then put in your name. And now you will be able to get your wand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to actually make a cracked Bukkit server. It is very simple and easy to do. As long as you just follow these steps and copy this code in, you'll be good to go. Also, this 1024M basically means that's 1 gig. So you can change that to however many gigs your computer has. Mine has 16 gigs in it. So I can change that to about 8. That'd be good to go. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it helps a lot of people because I really am trying to help people in these tutorials. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos. And I will see you guys in a different day or maybe another tutorial.